What's happening, guys? Welcome to Iceland. We are in the east of the country at a mountain range called Iceland. But anyways, it is about 11 a.m. here, and just because it is November, it's just starting to get light, so we're doing a bit of a sunrise mission. And I'm gonna be flying my Helion drone with a GoPro Hero 12 on top, all the way, hopefully, to the top of this mountain, and kind of just come down and find a cool line. So, without further ado, let's do it. I don't know why I look so red on this video. Anyways, let's do it. Fingers are properly frozen, which is not great, but we are off. So the batteries that I'm using on this quad right now are 5,200 milliamp hours, which should be more than enough to get me up to the top. So coming up, I'm first going to just kind of skirt on the edge of the mountain. And then I'm going to slowly make my way over to the very top. Ooh, it is windy at the top of this thing. Seems like the wind just kind of rips right up the side of it and just rips at the top. Oh yeah, that is real shaky. There are so many birds, but connection-wise and drone-wise, we're still looking good. Wow, it is so windy. Still looking pretty good, holding at about 22 volts. We are at 1.3 kilometers away. You can really tell the wind is making us drift to the left. Okay, wow, this is so pretty. Okay, so now we're at the top. It's time to come down. Let's do it. That is really shaky. There's so many freaking birds. Holy shit. The sun rays are just poking out. This guy. And then just gonna surf the ridgeline all the way down. Let's go. And the Helion honestly performs way better than you expect it to. Because it's a 10-inch, you'd think it would be really heavy and just not do that well, but it does amazing. Got a little close there. Okay, and now for the final reveal. Turning back. Let's go. Rip up high. And that is a wrap. All right, on the way back. My fingers are frozen. All right, successful mission. My fingers are absolutely frozen, so I'm gonna go warm up in the car. But that was a freaking awesome flight, and it is ridiculously beautiful here. Alrighty, round two. Is the GoPro recording? No. Okay. GoPro is now recording. Yeah, we are off. Back out over the road, and I'm gonna fly up. And I really hope I don't take out any birds. Seems likely. All right, so I'm gonna take the path of least resistance here and just kind of go right under this ridge line because I know the wind isn't gonna be quite as bad right here. Wow, these birds are crazy. Keep zooming up. Good to go. The battery voltage is a little bit low. It's 22.5. Probably just because it's so freaking cold here. But I'm still looking good. I'm about 1.2 kilometers away, which is usually totally fine up until about 2 kilometers. Then it gets a little bit worse, but still looking good. Wow, it is like aggressively beautiful. Oh my God. Oh, it's one of the best parts about FPV is just getting to experience, like, just see parts of the world from different angles that no one ever gets a chance to see. All right, we are making our way down. Let's do it. Okay, first off, I'm going to dive down this little crevasse right there. Looks like it's actually raining at the top. And then I'm gonna come here, kind of get close to this little rocky bit. Not too close though. Whoop. And we're going down, okay? Now what I wanna do is I wanna skirt next to this little ridge line. This drone is handling quite freaking well. Go right around this ridge line, up to the top of this one, and then straight down the saddle, like so. Straight down, hopefully do not hit any birds. No, do not want to hit any birds. And, oh, I was so close to the edge. All right, and now for the big reveal, I'm gonna flip around, gain some altitude. Just kind of look at the view, and all right, that's it. It's freezing. I'm freaking coming back now. While I'm on my way back, I'm gonna point out the next mountain range we're going to, which is right over there. Hopefully it's a little brighter over there, and we are going to give it a send. Oh my God, that was such a sick flight. That was such a sick flight. Let's go. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video series, which is just one-shot long-range FPV flights. If you guys want to see more of these videos in the future, definitely let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.